So how was this for a cool idea? We got Pete to grab quite a few buckets of firewood from our wood pile. Oops, wrong button. Anyways, so he grabbed a whole bunch from here and then dropped it here right in front of me, right at the woodshed. So it's a massive pile. Saved us a ton of friggin' work. And it took him, I think, 15 minutes. So I'd say that's a pretty fair exchange. Anyway, now we're just going to finish making our road so that we can back the truck up ourselves with firewood and whatever else. And then he's going to continue digging that big hole down there. Coming along. Okay, we'll catch you later.